Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Due to some things I'm working on, research on economies or research on astrology. Due to those things, I become little busy, because of which it took time to make video on here. So today we are going to uh, analyze how to hide files in my way, and how to make a messaging in a secretive way. Secretive means in an privacy way, most privacy may. As to my knowledge, this is the best way if you want to maintain better privacy while speaking with others, because full control will be on your hand. So let's check it out. First I would prefer to explain on messaging secretly. See, uh, many of the people know about this option, but the point is, most of the people don't use this method. I mean, they don't think like, we can use this in such a way also. So this method is known to everyone, but people don't think about using this in this way. So this is a new point of view. I don't say new way of messaging, because people don't think we can message this way also. So this is one of the most best way to message secretly. um, let's explore. Okay, so the point is making a shareable document in the Google Drive and giving permission to other people to whom with you want to discuss, and you both can discuss or type message to each other live. That is the most effective way. I am just going to explain it if someone wants to know. Okay? So that is what I am taking about new way of thinking while uh, want to maintain privacy in message. Okay, so this is Google Drive. I have opened it. Here I am creating a new Google document. Okay, okay, so here I am titling it as message to ABC. Okay, so this file name is message to ABC. Okay, now I'm going to share this file only to a particular person. Okay, so okay, so file share, or share with others. So I am adding the email ID of other email ID of myself with additional access. I mean, edit option should be there for the other person also if they want to message. So that's the point. So I'm just giving access message to them. Okay, and the purpose is editor. Okay, copied link sent. No, this will go as a email. Someone can check it out in email. So now we have this. So now we'll just go to the other mail for which this has been sent. Okay. So I have logged in another mail from other browser. Okay. See, when I click shared with me, I got this message to ABC. This file got opened. Okay. So here I got this one. So here I will type hi, how are you? Okay, now we'll look on the other device. See, we got it almost live. See, we got it almost live. And if we see this was typed by Kishore TVR. And here I'm going to type I am fine. What about you? Okay, we'll go to Opera browser now. Uh, See, we almost getting everything live. Now I'll type where or you. See, this is live messaging another way. So only those persons who you give the edit access will be able to message it only if they have the particular email ID with no they need to log in with their email. Only then they will able to edit it. Okay, see that's the point. See, only persons who are able to log in with that email only able to edit it. Okay, so the same can be done with OneDrive also. This is using Google Drive. OneDrive also is possible, but this gives faster updation compared to OneDrive, to my understanding. See, in case of OneDrive, you just need to click refresh. Unless you click refresh, most probably you don't get it as live as we are getting in Google Drive. That is as per my understanding. So even this way, you can make messages in a private way. Okay, so I'm just closing this one. So I am closing now this one too. Okay, I am closing my drive also. Okay. So as I told, you can if someone wants to contact me, you can browse this website. It will be this link will be provided in the description. You can just go there and just click message me here. You will get the form and you can fill it and get it to me. Okay. So in that way you can do it. Okay. So let's go to hiding files in my way. Okay. So if we come to hiding files in my way, uh, see for example these are Excel files. Okay, so if we hide with normal way, I mean like going properties, and if you click hidden, there is an option here. See, show hidden files option was enabled, so that's why it was showing. See, otherwise that file will not be able to seen by everyone. But what is the purpose if the people who are looking at uh, want to see what are the hidden files in the view button, they will again click show hidden files, and it will be appearing. So if you want to hide files in a different way, you just take the file you want to hide. Just take loan.xlx. Okay, I want to hide this file. So what I do is I just change the extension. I will say like as. Okay, so now no one will know about this file at all. People feel like this is an software file and people don't like to open it. You need to keep this file in the place where people won't try to open it. I mean something like you should see, for example, there is something called ADB tools or some other software. You just place this file with inside those software, any software file. In between, if you throw this one, no one will be able to open this. No one will think that this belongs to, this particular file belongs to XLS or anything, because who knows, this file might be PDF, so they will not be able to open it. So when you want to open it, you just right click it, open with option will be there. You can choose XLS here, or otherwise you just open Excel normal way. Just browse this path. After opening Excel, you just click open, browse, just give the path and select the file. Okay, so here you need to select all files, otherwise that extension was something different, so that will not show. So that's why you need to click all files, and it will ask the extension was different. Are you sure you want me to open? You say yes, because that file was created by you. So you click as yes. So now the file will open. You can use it in the way you want it. Okay. So likewise, you can hide the files. So these are the two things I want to now explain in this video. Make use of these things for positive purposes and only for good reasons. Okay, don't misuse these things. Okay, many people are using many other softwares and those applications and all. So when you use those applications and all in background, there are chances that they are going to collect our data and all. So I prefer you try to reduce the usage of applications as less as possible. That's the best I would like to tell people. And you have many basic things which will be helpful you for you to do the basic necessary things which you are doing by using many apps. So depending on too many apps is not a good thing. That's what I feel. Okay, so thank you very much for your time. I'm going to give much more updates. Thanks for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all. Bye. Catch you again.